Hey guys, Jenny Coco here, and today I'm going to show you guys how I like to make my pancakes. If you're interested in watching, please stay tuned. So of course, the first thing you want to do is get your flour ready. Using about 5 to 8 tablespoons of flour, and it equates 1.5 cup of flour, I guess. And I'm just going to put that in my bowl and add about 2 to 3 tablespoons of milk, because I like milk. I like milk, so like I just put enough, and then I add about 2 tablespoons of sugar. This is white sugar, by the way. And then I add about half teaspoon of baking powder and 1/4 teaspoon of baking soda. Baking soda is totally optional, so you don't have to do that. And I also added a pinch of salt to balance the taste of everything that you've put in here. I'm just going to mix this properly, and I'm going to make a hole in the middle. I'm sorry you guys can't see it here, but you'll see it shortly. I'm just going to create a hole in the middle to crack my eggs in, because I didn't want to crack my eggs just on my flour that would create like lumps, and I wanted to avoid that. So add about 1/4 teaspoon of vanilla extract. This is optional as well, but this gives it like a very nice flavor, like a very nice vanilla flavor-ish. And just to be extra, to be honest, to quickly whisk this while adding my water. So for my water, I believe I added about half a cup of water, but to be honest, just keep adding water until you get the consistency that I got. If you want crepes, just keep going with your water, and when it's very watery, your crepes are ready. So I just added a bit of water because I found that it was a bit too thick, and I wanted it just a little bit lighter than what it was already. So you really want to keep whisking this until it is free of lumps. I honestly do not like seeing lumps in my pancakes because it's just very uncomfortable to look at. Like, it gives me anxiety. And your pancakes do not really come out like very like perfect when you have lumps, definitely. So now I just added butter. I honestly don't know why I added this butter, but I've just been using butter like recklessly recently, but I felt like, okay, maybe this gave it like a different taste. I think, I don't know, but you guys, you can try with butter, without butter. Let me know if there was actually a difference. So my batter is actually quite ready. Like, I like it this runny. Now I'm just going to prepare my pan and start to fry. So the very first, this butter I use is President butter, and it's honestly so good. It made my pancakes so fluffy, and I loved it. Alternatively, you could use vegetable oil, but for the rest of my pancakes, like you would see like the yellowish color, for the rest of my pancakes I use my margarine butter to fry that. It wasn't as fluffy, but yeah, it still came out nice. So you want to put your heat to the lowest, because you want your pancakes to cook on low heat. I am going to zoom this in very soon so you guys can actually see. So when you see that your bubbles are beginning to form at the top of your pancakes, then get ready to flip your pancake, because it means that, you know, the bottom part is ready to go. So now you can see the bubbles on my pancakes, and and now I'm just going to flip it to the other side and cook it. Yeah. So now I found like a bit of lemon in the fridge, and I thought to just add it to my batter because this brings out the flavor even more. So this is my other batch. This batch is actually for my sister, that's why it's not that brown. Personally, I like my pancakes like really brown, almost burnt if possible. I just like brown stuff. So I'm just quickly going to fast forward the whole process of me frying the rest of my pancakes, and then we'll move on to the next stage. Moving on to my eggs, I'm just going to break my eggs in my pan. I'm not going to whisk this. I'm doing a sunny side up. I'm going to add my salt and pepper and allow this to fry for a couple minutes. And once I'm satisfied with that, I'm going to turn it to the other side and fry for another, let's say about 30 seconds to 40 seconds. I like a runny yolk, to be honest, but I don't like it that runny. It's not that deep. It's really not. So I like it just about this runny. I didn't cut through it so you guys could see, but it was a bit runny. And yeah, I just placed it on my pancakes, and that's, oh yeah, I also added a bit of bananas. I'm sure you guys will be like, this girl has come with banana again. I'm sorry, but banana was plenty in the house after my banana bread. But that's basically all. I'm just going to put honey on it. I don't like syrup anymore because it's a bit too sugary, so honey works for me, and I'm going to enjoy my delicious pancakes.